Menteri Katnat Boarding ke Jila Meghalaya u Abu Tahir Mondal uloong ba ka preliminary report bala ai de ke Indian Institute of Technology Iit Guwahati ka penpau ba ke Jingkieng Pung Umïam ke dang Shngaiñ. But don kam ban bujili tang ya ki bearing jong ke Jingkieng knang bakan penjalan ya ke jingskem jong ke Jingkieng. Ha ke jingkren bat ke lat patai kubor u menteri uloong ru ba ka Iit Guwahati kaladep ban penlong ya ke jing tokit ke babnia ya ke Jingkieng Pung Umïam bat ke tenat menta kadang ap saya ke Kaiphod.
He has already conducted their inspection and we are just awaiting the report. As per the preliminary report they have given to us, they are telling that bridge is in a good condition. But the bearing of the bridge has to be replaced. So accordingly, we have placed order to the company who is our manufacturer for these bearings, and a renowned party has been also engaged for that. Now we have constituted a joint committee between the engineers of MECL and also engineers of PWD department. They held their meeting. Very soon they will be submitting their report. Then this matter we will discuss among ourselves, maybe in the cabinet also. How do we go ahead? So if everything is okay, we will fix a date. Before that, we will try to tell the general public that on so and so date, the bridge will be literally lifted for changing or replacing the new bearings. So things are on its course, and on the day this bearing will be replaced, traffic will be put to standstill, means no traffic will be allowed to pass through the bridge for maximum 8 hours, we think. Then after 8 hours, only light vehicle will be allowed to pass through the bridge. Again, on the day when the bridge will be lowered, again traffic will be not allowed to pass through the bridge. After putting down its original position, again the traffic will be allowed to pass. During this period, no heavy vehicle will be allowed to pass through the bridge. So this is the present status of the bridge. So all these things I will give you.
So you mentioned that
I am telling because I was with the physical verification. I, along with the one of the assistant professor from IIT, it says that bridge looks normal. He told me directly when I, along with him, went to the bridge. Not only from the upstream river side, we went downstream, down below also, more than 120 feet below. So that is there. That's why we thought that on physical verification, it looks like the bridge is okay. So we need to have some test which will tell us that bridge is fit even as far as structure is concerned. So accordingly, some test will be conducted by IIT. They have done it. The report I am yet to receive. But only 2-3 days back, I was there again in Umïam. I asked them to give the report immediately to me and let the committee which has been formed by the engineers of MECL and also engineers of PWD go through the report and give us the feedback. So further course will be taken after that.